Hi everyone, I'll show you a real quick and simple way to check for a bad wheel bearing or wheel bearing that's gone sloppy. Super fast, super simple. Just jack the suspected tire, get it up off the ground. So on this vehicle, it's the driver's front, and that's the wheel bearing I know is going bad. But once you get the vehicle up, you have to be able to spin your tire. And now let's just listen. Hear that clanking going on? That's the sloppy wheel bearing. It's going back and forth. It's allowing that clanking to happen here. But here's another way to check for it. So when you have your vehicle up off the ground, you got to get your tire off the ground. Grab the strut shock, this spring right here. Put one hand on it. Using your other hand, spin the tire. You're going to feel a vibration in the strut spring. It's going to start to hum your hand like that, and that's an indication that you have another indication that you have a bad wheel bearing, because that vibration, that misalignment, that worn out wheel bearing is now sending a little pulse. It travels right up the strut, and you can feel it in the spring. Your hand is starting to hum back and forth. So a third way, you're just driving your vehicle, and you will hear it almost immediately when you go into a corner. So it's always the opposite side. So if you go into a right-hand corner, your vehicle puts all the pressure on the left side. So a right-hand corner, pressure goes to the outside. If you hear a hum, you have a bad left wheel bearing. And the true is for the opposite bearing. If the other side is going, you're going to a left-hand corner, weight on the car goes to the outside, forces the right wheel bearing to hum. So that's how you tell. It's always the opposite. So kind of neat. There's a few ways to check out to see if you have a bad wheel bearing that needs replacing. Unfortunately on this car, it's not that big of a deal. The part costs around 50 bucks. It's for the whole hub assembly. I can swap a new one on there. Sure be good to go. No more noise.